Please. The following emergency bulletin may affect your area. Listen carefully.
The National Weather Service in Jackson, Kentucky has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northern Montgomery County and east central Kentucky, northwestern Morgan County and southeastern Kentucky, Bath County and east central Kentucky, north central Menifee County and east central Kentucky, Fleming County and east central Kentucky, Rowan County and east central Kentucky, northwestern Elliott County and east central Kentucky, until 6:45 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. At 6:08 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 7 miles southwest of Vancouver to Levy, moving east at 65 miles per hour. Hazard, 70 miles per hour wind gusts and penny-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect considerable tree damage. Damage is likely to mobile homes, roofs, and outbuildings. Severe thunderstorms will be near Moorhead around 6:15 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. Haldeman around 6:20 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. Craney around 6:25 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. Other locations in the path of these severe thunderstorms include Farley.
This emergency warning message has been broadcast for your safety. If your area is affected, take all necessary precautions and listen to any local radio, television, or cable outlet for further updates.